I did the YouTube channel and I made a website I would make websites for like the YouTube channel. It was called Panda Mix Show. And it was like these electronic music mixes like dubstep or drum and bass or techno or house.
I saw one of them had like Flash. Were you using Flash?
Yeah, my CD album was using Flash. Yeah. I sold my CD, yeah.
Kids, Flash was
Flash was cool.
Software. This is like the break.
Like grandpa, you know, but Flash was cool.
Yeah, and there was, what's it called? Oh, boy, I should remember this. Action script. There's some kind of programming language.
Script. Yeah, ActionScript.
Oh, yeah.
It was in Flash. Back then, that was the JavaScript, you know?
The JavaScript, yeah. And I thought that's supposed to be the dynamic thing that takes over the internet. Yeah. I invested so many hours in learning that.
Steve Jobs killed it.
Steve Jobs
said, Flash sucks, stop using it. And everyone's like, okay.
That guy was right, though, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, well, it was a closed platform, I think, and
closed.
But it's ironic because Apple, you know, they're not very open.
Right.
But back then, Steve was like, "This is closed. We should not use it," and it has security problems, I think, which sounded like a cop out. Like he just wanted to say that to make it look kind of bad. But Flash was cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool for a time.
Yeah.
Listen, animated GIFs were cool for a time too.
Yeah.
They came back in a different way.
Yeah.
As a meme, though. Yeah. I mean, like, I remember when GIFs were actually cool, not ironically cool.
Yeah.
Like, there's like, on the internet, you would have like a dancing rabbit or something like this. And that was really exciting.
No, you had like the, Lex homepage. You had all these, everything was centered.
Yeah.
And you had like Peter's homepage and then the under construction GIF, which was like a guy like with a helmet and the lights. And it was amazing.
Banners. Yeah, that's how before like Google AdSense, you would have like banners for advertising.
It was amazing. Yeah,
and a lot of links to porn, I think.
Yeah,
or
I think that was where the merchant accounts people would use for. People would make money a lot. The only money made on the internet then was like porn, or a lot of it.
Yeah, it was a dark place. It's still a dark place.
Yeah,
but there's beauty in the darkness.